Hi everyone, welcome to Wealthy Mindset. My name is Oliver. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys are having a great day like always. In today's video, I'm going to be covering Nokia Stock for April 9th trading day, giving you guys lows and the highs by analyzing the graph like always. And I'm going to throw in some fundamentals as well. Now, quick disclaimer before I begin, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a professional, and everything I do share with you guys is just my opinion. It is not advice. So please do not buy or sell based off the information I give you or the opinions I do form. Please do your own due diligence and research before buying and selling. Now, before I get into the graph in full details, for new viewers, we had a double downward trend resistance line dating back since 2000, 2001, and it looks like we're getting back up to it to back test it or potentially break through it, hopefully. But before I get to that, Nokia and Lenovo ended a patent licensing dispute, which is good news for Nokia. Lenovo will make a net balancing payment to Nokia under the agreement. The financial terms of the agreement were not disclosed yet. Again, this was on April 7th, which was yesterday. And right now, if we come back to the double downward trend resistance line dating back since 2000, 2001, you can see right here, then the first downward trend resistance line has been keeping us down since 2014, had false breakouts, but unfortunately did not solidify the upside to them, back tested as well as of August 2020, and had an upward trend support line right here that's been holding through. So first touch point right here, second touch point right here, and then haven't had necessarily a third touch point. What we've been doing is hovering above the touch points, and we had this horizontal, so instead of touching right here, we had a horizontal support line bounced off it instead, and then continue on the upside. And then instead of coming back down to back test on the upward trend support line, again, we basically hovered above it. So we might be forming a second upward trend support line to rely on, and that would be great because if we break that, then we could rely on this bottom one right here. Now, if we go to the 1 month chart, MAC line crossed over to the positive, but in terms of the 5-year chart though, by the way, just in case, MAC line doesn't know what to do. It's uncertain for a while. So keep that in mind. It's not necessarily a green light for anything, but if we look at the 1 month chart, we have an upward trend support line right here. Now, if you think it's going to hold on this upward trend support line, I think it will personally. I think what you guys are going to have issues with, even though you guys technically are already on it, is $4.07, but I don't think there's going to be major issues with $4.07. This is the issue I think you guys are going to have between $4.08 and $4.13. So you might be stuck at $4.10 for quite a while. I just personally don't think you guys are going to pass $4.13 tomorrow, but if you do, anything is possible. Take everything with a grain of salt. Nobody knows for sure. But if you do, then the next level of resistance you're going to have is $4.15 to $4.17. I saw also potentially $4.18 knocking you guys down. Then after that, if you've been a viewer on my channel, you know that $4.22 is a major horizontal resistance level, and that's going to be quite difficult. So the one that's going to hold you guys down, if you guys go catabolic to the upside, which I don't think necessarily is going to happen tomorrow. It could happen, but I don't think it is $4.22. I think that would be the utmost max, and you probably get knocked down a little bit. Hopefully you consolidate at that level if you hit it, but I think you would get knocked down. Now, as for support, you would have support at $4.05, even though it would act as resistance. You've seen $4.03, $4.03, $4.02. Now, the main support though is going to be $4.03 tomorrow and $4.02, because if you come back down on the support line right here, you could see potentially, depending on how fast you drop earlier in the day, you could hit $4.02, $4.03, but I don't see that happening because you have this a moving average that could hold you as support, but it doesn't look like it's been acting quite as well as support, but it's at $4.03 as well. So $4.02, $4.03 as the utmost lowest. And then if you think you're going to have way more false breakouts, it's like $4.02. I don't think you guys are going to break $4 essentially. So I don't even think you're going to hit $4. I think the lowest is going to be $4.03 tomorrow. There's a chance it could be $4.02, but if I had to bank on it, again, nobody knows for sure. I'm not a professional, but I think $4.03 would be the lowest tomorrow. And if you think it's going to continue on the upside completely clean, and you just basically hug this upward trend support line, then you're looking at closing at $4.05, $4.06 tomorrow, which would be the same close as today. So what could happen is you could just essentially go up to the upside, probably hit $4.10, come back down to 408, go to 413 or something, get a knockdown, and then probably just start trickling down and closing at 406 for tomorrow. So anything's possible. Hopefully this helps, but these are the levels for the most part in terms of resistance and support. I think you guys are in good shape given how you guys are, and I think essentially what's going to happen is you guys are going to essentially go to this upward trend support or resistance line right here, and what I'm expecting is you guys are going to continue on this upside, and then hopefully you guys break through to the upside right here, but you could potentially get knocked down as well. So we'll see. Okay. So that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you do like the video, consider dropping a like. It helps out the channel a lot. So thank you so much for that. And if you do like videos like these and other stock videos or other financial videos, consider subscribing as well. That does help too. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.